Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So you guys know that the quarter has ended. So I'm here with the in-depth performance analysis for our quarter end. So we started at 31st March, right? So our first expiry would be 7th April. So we have from 7th April all the way till 7th July. 29th September is an open position that we are carrying. So that is also added here. So if we come to our weekly expiry wise, these are all our PNL weekly. So on 7th April, we are up by 7,300. That is how all of the weekly profits and loss is mentioned here. So we can see that 30th June, we took a very big hit of 34,000. This was against the short put of 17,000. So that is the reason we booked so much loss. But overall, we have, in 14 trades, we're up every week except only 5 weeks. So this is everything on PNL. And if we see percentage wise PNL, we were down by 14% while we were up by 7% at the maximum. So if you would have invested 100, that 100 would become 90, that 100 would become how much is given here. So it was a very big roller coaster ride. The 100 would have gone down to 95 and it has gone all the way up to 121. And now we are standing at 106. So this is all about how much 100 becomes. And next, if we move on, if we dwell further, like if we made money in Nifty or Bank Nifty, this is an analysis for that. So for Bank Nifty, we were up by 19,000 and Nifty, we've lost around 9,000 rupees. And if we see further on, like where we made money is CE or PE. So in CE, we've made around 3,000. In PE, we've made around 6,200. So again, whether we dwell further again, if we made money in Bank Nifty or how much losses we made in Nifty. So this is another analysis. So in options Bank Nifty, in the CE side, we've made around 16,800. On the PE side, we've made around 2,000, around 1,500. And if we come to Nifty, we've lost a major hit in Nifty call, that is around 14,000. In options in PE side, we've made around 4,700. So the total contracts that we have traded till now is 326. So guys, this is the entire gist of what happened from when we started trading, that is March 31st. March 31st only. I'm sorry, I got a little confused. So we'll move on to our weekly consolidated report, which I always do. So this is our weekly consolidated report. This is for the 30th June. So last week was amazing for us. We are up by 11%, while Nifty was up only by 1.4%. So overall, in last week, we've made around 19,700. And if we see financial year, guys, we're positive. We're up about 0.7%, while Nifty is down around 9.6. And overall, on a yearly basis, cumulative is around 12,300 rupees. And last week was a good week. Even in the cash market, we're up by 800 rupees. And overall, if we look, we are down by 10,967. So coming to the number of trades that we took last week, we've taken around 30 trades and we won in 20 trades. And our winning percentage was around 66%. And for the entire year, for an entire week, we have taken around 308 trades. And in that, we have won around 197. So our winning trades is 64. Because it's quarter end, like we have traded from 3 months, we did an analysis down by 21%, but in June we are again up by 21.9%. So this was for all the 3 months that we have traded, that is April, May, June. Okay, we've made in-depth analysis regarding beta also. So if we consider the beta, we are at 0.41 against Nifty. Our average portfolio weekly is 0.31%, where Nifty average for week is down around 0.74%. So our risk-free return, if we keep it at 5 per annum weekly report, our alpha will be 0.10%. This is our alpha. Our Sharpe ratio is a little bit down, 0.218, which is very bad. Like, we're not happy with it. We're hoping for better days. We've only started trading in 13 weeks. So while we grow much more further, we're hoping to make ourselves better and bring up our Sharpe ratio. So guys, this is everything about the quarter that we traded in this amazing journey. We look forward to much more trades and much more trade ideas in the future. Thank you.